In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your logo in Webflow and add a simple hover zoom animation. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the logo you want to edit. Replace the image if needed by choosing a new logo from the Asset Manager. With the logo selected, open the Interactions panel and click the plus icon under Element Trigger. Choose Mouse Hover. Create a new hover in animation. Add a scale action and adjust the scale value to create a smooth zoom effect. Set the animation duration to your preferred speed. Create a hover out animation and set the scale back to 100% so the logo returns to its original size when the cursor leaves. Preview your website to test the animation. Make any adjustments if needed, then publish your site. That's how to edit your logo in Webflow. Thanks for watching.